Is artificial intelligence the future? This video was scripted by ChatGBT and narrated by Speechify. A human only provided the prompt, filmed and edited the video. Welcome to our instructional video on how to turn a rod into a work of art, or at least a useful piece of metal. Let's get started. First things first, we need to load our rod into the lathe. This can be a tricky step, so make sure to use both hands and keep your fingers clear of the moving parts. Now that our rod is securely loaded, it's time to face the end. This will make sure our rod is nice and even, and will ensure a smooth turning process. Now that our end is nice and smooth, it's time to turn it down to 1/2 inch. This is a delicate process, so make sure to keep your hands clear and use the right tool. Great! Now that our rod is the perfect size, it's time to drill a hole in the end. This will allow us to tap the hole and make it threadable. Now that we have our hole, it's time to tap it. This is a tricky step, so make sure to use the right tap and keep your fingers clear of the moving parts. Excellent work! Now that our rod is tapped, it's time to take it over to the mill. We'll be using the mill to machine a flat for a 1/2 inch wrench. And finally, it's time to deburr the part. This will ensure that our workpiece is safe to use and won't scratch or damage anything it comes into contact with. And that's it. You've now successfully turned a simple rod into a useful piece of metal. Congratulations and happy turning. Don't forget to always wear your safety goggles and use the right tools for the job. Happy turning!